So I found these shoes and I'm obsessed with them. And I want to buy them, but they're $100. And I bought a house last year. I really need to stick to my budgets, and I want these shoes. And so I'm not going to buy the $100 version, which if you have the spare money, definitely go support the brand. Get the cute ballet shoes. I am going to make my own. I look at this and I see something that I can easily DIY. So I'm going to try and do it for hopefully a good fraction of the cost. And let's see what we can find here. I just Amazon primed a pair of like athletic, actual adult ballerina women's shoes. I sized up. Especially I want these to be comfortable. I'm a little worried about there not being an insole, but I have some insoles from other shoes that maybe I can throw in there. All depends on what's comfortable. And then I got these cute little red rosettes. I probably could make these with some red fabric or ribbon that I have laying around, but I want to spend the $7 and get that. Really hoping it works. I'll check back when the shoes show up. Yee! Okay, there we go. It is my Amazon delivery day today, and I got the 2 pieces we need to make this project. I'm very excited. I guess I'm gonna do a little unboxing here, and then I'll get to sewing. Ta-da. These feel so legitimate. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, they are very thin soled here. And the leather comes around, which I can see why in ballet that would be very helpful, but in everyday life might not hold up as well. Ooh, but the strap's perfect. I saw this online. It has a little logo on the strap, and so that really won't matter much if we're covering up with these gorgeous little rosettes. I love these little rosettes. They're so sweet. Specifically went for a very simple, delicate looking rosette. These seem to really be a perfect match for the ones on line. Okay. The one thing I'm a little concerned about are these little bows, but the leather looks great. The fit looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. I'll let you know. Yeah, that'll work. Looking at this now, this is probably something that would really benefit from like a hot glue moment, and it would work really well and be a lot faster than sewing, but I am a little hand sewing girly, and I feel like sitting down in my living room and sewing these little rosettes on. I counted in the picture, there are 6 rosettes on each anklet. It's so cute. Oh my God, I'm really excited. Yeah, I'm just gonna go, this should be pretty quick, pretty easy. I should be able to do this tonight. I've got a nice strong needle here, and I've got some red thread, and I'm gonna get to sewing. Wish me luck. Here's a detailed before of the ballet flats as they are. I really like them. I actually think I did well on the size here. You can tighten the little elastics and get a really custom fit. They're actually really comfortable. They remind me a lot of the roll-up flats you used to pack in your purse when you were going out on the town or to a dance or what have you. They are definitely less structured than the original Inspiration shoes, but I don't mind. They're actually really comfortable, and I feel like I can dance. I mean, they're literally athletic dancing shoes. So now I'll sit down and get comfortable and sew on these little rosettes as evenly as I can, 6 per shoe. And there you have it. I think that took me about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Why don't we put more rosettes on everything? It's so cute. It's such a simple upgrade, and I'm really happy with the results. And I think it's safe to say it's almost a perfect dupe for the original for a fraction of the price. When you add it all up, I spent less than $27, and I have a really beautiful pair of shoes and a really fun pair too. Very fashion forward, very chic. Let's go ahead and style it. First, I have this Everlane dress. I'm going to pair that with a black belt and a hat. This is my favorite Lisa Eldridge red lipstick. It actually has hints of blue in it. Your teeth appear more white. It's a little bit of a color theory moment for you. Perfect late summer, early fall look. Make things a little fancier and change into this velvet skirt, black. I think that goes with the vibe of these shoes really well. I of course wanted to style this with a pair of baggy ripped up jeans, Black jeans are really a go-to, especially white tank top and a blazer. I've owned this blazer for 5 years, maybe more now, also from Everlane. Of course, now we can't see the gorgeous shoes I just put so much work into, so I'm going to change into a skinnier pair of jeans, and oh my god, so cute! I love this look so much. I'm really gonna wear these everywhere. It makes just another day running to the grocery store that much more pretty. And to finish playing dress up with these for the day, I thought that this mini skirt I picked up at Goodwill, it's one of my favorite. It's 100% silk, and look at the frills, and it's a perfect match for these shoes, clearly, the red and the black. I hope you like the video. This is a little different than what I normally do, but I would be happy to show you some more of my DIY crafting, fashion style content. If you're interested, subscribe, hit like, hit a comment. The trifecta of the 3 of those is what really makes the biggest difference. Thank you, you guys. I'll talk to you in the next one.